September 18 and andito ako ngayon sa Zoo Market, Capitolio, Pasig City. Dahil magko-collab kami ni Michelle tsaka ni Mark Ann ulit. Ayan. So tatlo na naman kami magsasama sa video na to. So meron na kasi guys na channel si Michelle. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa kanya, ayan ang YouTube channel niya. Follow nyo siya. At mag-film kami sa channel niya. Ang first na vlog niya kasama ako tsaka si Mark Ann, magmumukbang kami sa channel niya ng Korean food syempre. Dahil di ba Koreana siya kaya Korean food. At ayan na nga, nakaprepare na dito sa taas ng Zoo Market. Itong mga kakainin namin. Merong pork. Yan, samgyupsal. And ito naman, chicken. May marinate siya na spicy siguro to kasi pulang-pula, oh. Meron din dito na chili, onion leeks, ayan, lettuce, pangbalot. Di ko alam bakit may cabbage dito. Ano kayong gagawin ni Michelle dyan? Meron din dito na garlic, sesame seeds, sesame oil, tteokbokki, rice cake. Wow, grabe. Nakakatakam na. Yung egg roll, tapos kimbap, fish cake, and japchae. And ayan na nga si Michelle. Hello!
Annyeong!
Michelle, what are we gonna film in your YouTube channel? What's your vlog for today's video?
I'm gonna show you how to eat fun and set up samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal.
With chicken.
Yes.
Pork. Chicken something.
So, papakita niya guys sa channel niya kung paano talaga kainin tong mga samgyupsal, diba? Kung paano yung tamang way ng pagluto, ayan, tamang way ng cooking of samgyupsal and paano mo kakainin. So, sa mga gusto mapanood yon, ayan, punta lang kayo sa channel ni Michelle after nitong vlog na to. And kasama rin natin si Jonas. Hi! And si Jillian. Hi! And si Daddy Ryan. Grabe guys, dito sa Zoo Market, makikita nyo talaga, puro mukha ni Michelle. Sarili niyang grocery, sarili niyang mukha. Siya na din ang model. Noong ganda ng baba. Oh, dito kami kasi sa taas ng Zoo Market eh. So sa baba lang kayo mamimili. And dito sa second floor kasi, dito sa second floor niya nilalagay yung mga stocks niya. Ay, stock room na rin to. Diba, ang dami. Kuha nga tayo. Charot! Dito na din si Mark Anagalesko. Ayan, subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Anong mo ngayon? Content?
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi, ito makikikain ako ng manok.
Ha? Makiki-vlog ka lang kay Michelle?
Kaya panoorin niyo po to.
Eh di pare-parehas na kayo.
Ayoko masyado gamitin yung isip ko kasi bebenta ko eh. Like news lang dapat.
Ano? Ba't ka galit?
Uhaw na siya.
Oh. You want this one? Okay. So, nagsistart na guys si Michelle magluto. Michelle, what's this again?
We call TAKGALBI.
TAKGALBI.
Yes.
TAKGALBI, you put tteokbokki also? No.
I will add
Okay. Akala ko grilled, yung pala ganyan. TAKGALBI.
Ito nilagyan niya to ng onion leaves.
Tapos merong kimchi stew. Kimchi stew yan. And meron din kimchi.
Onion,
kimchi shige.
and konting water.
Yan, kimchi shige daw. Kimchi shige or kimchi stew. So, naglagay na si Michelle guys ng rice cake. Yes. Tteokbokki. Yeah, tteokbokki. Ano ba ang problema mo? Ano hinanap mo? Dirty nga to eh. Grabe guys, kanina pa ako gutom, kaya try na natin tong kimbap. Una na ako ha. Kung na kaya. Michelle, can I eat this one?
Of course.
Kimbap.
Is it ano? Difficult to cook. You want get that?
Mashta. Yan. So, tapos na guys, ang TAKGALBI na niluto ni Michelle. Grabe. Sobrang nakakatakam. Mokcha. Tama ba?
Mokcha.
Mokcha.
Balibokcha.
Yan. Balibokcha. So, ayan guys. Magsisimula na kami magmukbang.
Wait.
Sarap. Sarap? Sarap. Wait. Is this instant kimchi stew?
No.
No? Homemade.
Homemade kimchi.
Sarap
Okay, this one, sangchu.
Sangchu. Lettuce, so sangchu in Korea.
Okay, two girls. This is a Korean girls
yeah,
channel.
Korean.
You should learn Korean language.
Okay.
What is this?
Sangshu.
Sangchu.
Sangshu.
Correct.
Then,
Takgalbi. Tak.
takgalbi.
One. Okay.
One.
Okay. And
Put
then
it here.
chili.
Chili?
Yes, one.
Chili one.
Chili
Thank you.
one.
I have
Either.
Yes, one. And samjang.
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 This one?
Yes. The samjang is brown one.
Ikaw.
Ayaw.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Then,
Samjang. If you want kimbap, pwede.
kimbap also?
Pwede.
Okay,
Kaya
I'll
malaki
put
na bibig ng
kimbap.
mga Koreano pag sumubok eh. Oh,
Kimbap.
This is not real Korean style, ha? This is
So big
Michel's
na. How about
style.
kimchi?
Oh, pwede.
Kimchi, okay.
Yes.
I'll put kimchi.
And then,
And fold and eat.
Wow, it's so many.
this one is kimbap.
Mmm.
Combination, very good.
Wow.
You have to mix this together.
And kimchi soup. Compare tayo. Compare.
Compare.
Wow.
Sarap.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
I
The
want to
Korean
try
food
your
is really
japchae.
good.
Japchae. Who cooked this?
Michelle.
Michelle.
Yes. Diba?
Michelle, your chef. Michelle.
Michelle plus my chef.
Yeah, and
Okay.
ito, what you call this, sorry?
Egg.
Egg.
Egg in Korea.
Keranmari.
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 Mami, kuha mo nga to.
Keran
Okay.
Mari.
Yes. One more. Kimbap one.
How about tokboki?
If you want,
This
yes.
one also, right?
Yes.
Oh,
And samjang.
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 Oops, nahulog
Uy.
yun.
I want kimchi.
Tapos fold natin, right?
Yes.
I
Tapos
like the
lalagyan mo sa
kimbap.
bulsa mo.
It's so
Diba?
tasty. It's so...
Together.
Yeah, mashed na.
Good.
Bawang.
No.
Oh,
This
so
is
big.
Korean chicken, no? Really? This one is so good.
Laki. So big, ah. Did you make this one?
Michelle.
Michelle?
Yes. Nga? Supermarket. You can buy this one, side dishes.
Also
Supermarket
this one.
available side dishes. Keranmari, japchae,
So
fish
many.
cake, and anchovies.
Yeah, many side dishes.
many side dishes.
And then they're also so good.
So good.
Wow. Wow.
I like this one.
What's sarap in Korea?
Mashisayo
Mashisayo.
or mashta?
Masta. Bakit sa'yo?
Mashisayo.
Mashisayo.
Mashisayo? No.
You know what? It's good with...
Mashisayo.
Mashisayo.
Masi ayo.
Mashisayo.
Mashisayo.
You know what? You put rice cake. It's good.
Chewing.
I put
Also available at
I put
Zoo
egg
Market.
Our best seller.
fish cake.
Fish cake. Yes. And calamari also. And then
Ah,
dumpling.
do you have
dumpling.
gamari
Yes.
now?
Yes. Anytime you can buy.
No, right now. Do you have?
Yes.
Because we don't have here.
Where's the cucumber kimchi? Wala na? You want Mama's kimchi?
What?
Mama's
Available also here in Sumarket.
Correct.
So guys, ayan meron tayong buldak dumpling. Available rin to
What?
guys dito sa Sumarket.
This one halal.
More
Halal.
Yes.
Oh, diba?
Muslim
Volume?
or vegetarian can be.
Pwede to sa mga Muslim kasi halal siya. Oh, diba?
Woo!
Wow.
Maanghang.
But it's good. Right?
So ayan guys, nag-grill na si Mitch ng pork na favorite ni Mark. Sarap ng amoy, no? Bango.
So good.
So SAMGYUPSAL din kami ngayon.
Singot-singot lang.
Amoy-amoy lang.
Kwento nyo na lang sa akin.
Meron pa naman chicken doon eh. Bakit kasi hindi beef? Bakit pork?
Yes.
You don't have beef now?
beef earlier. Beef gimbap.
Beef kimbap.
Yeah, that's really beef gimbap.
So for...
talaga ni Michelle
Para di ako sali.
para magtakam ka.
Grabe, ang sarap na, no? Can I have the other piece?
Sangchu.
Sangchu.
Parang ganyan.
Sangchu.
1 and 2.
Okay.
Okay? Samgyupsal. Here.
Oh.
Okay? Samjang.
You eat all na. You
And-
eat all. Come on.
Two na
Well,
lang.
fall
2
down.
pieces na lang. And
Eat
hamuchim.
that na.
Pamuchin.
That very
Yes, that's my favorite.
Super. And fried kimchi.
Oh. Fried kimchi.
Yes.
Go.
Fried kimchi. With
Fried
the pork
kimchi.
oil.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy them, guys. Pero ito, and then daliri ko yung next.
Okay.
Try. Go.
One bite?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so you keep in mouth. Okay? Like that.
Me.
Yes. No. Whatever. Whatever you keep in
Wait, I
there.
still have in my
Yes.
mouth.
Yeah, that is we call mukbang.
Ganon?
Yeah. Okay, go. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then go.
Again?
Oh.
Yes, again.
Yun
No,
naman.
no, this is a mukbang ko. This is mukbang.
What are you doing to me, Michelle?
Buti na lang, bawal ako sa
Okay, can you give me yours?
Sure.
Yes.
Like this?
Mhm.
Oh, which one?
Lettuce, okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is how enjoy a Korean samgyeopsal for fun.
Yeah.
Mm.
1 or 2? Oh, shoot. Can I get the guys?
Okay, one. Go.
Many. Many.
Kaya.
Oh, shoot. Sorry. One more.
Sinasadya hinuhulog para makuha niya.
And kimchi.
Okay.
With kimchi, huh?
Okay.
Whoa. It's really good.
This is how I like her. Okay, look. Okay. See? Kamuchi. Grabe.
Good,
Okay, go. Go. Give me.
Go.
Sarap, no? Kamuchim.
Kamuchi is good.
Nag-film ka rin ba?
The best, the best.
Oh.
Ready? Ready. Go.
Don't bite the tongue.
Yun nga, that's why kanina nahirapan
Again.
ako.
Again.
Okay.
One more. Okay.
One more.
Thank you.
I like this one. So
Oh,
Again,
this
again.
is
This
so
is babuchim. Again, okay, go. Give me,
Go, go,
chili.
go.
Chili?
Go. Okay, go.
How?
Oh my gosh. Go.
This one? Like that?
One whole? Oh, toto one whole.
grabe. Let's try
That's the
with
way
kimbap.
how to eat the Korean.
Yeah.
Korean way.
With
Sibuyas,
friends.
sibuyas.
With friends.
Yung gusto nila mabulunan sila, ganun.
Oh, with friends.
Oh no!
Grabe, sarap. So, ayan guys, nakauwi na ako ngayon. Nakalimutan ko pala mag-outro kanina habang andun kala Michelle. So, again, andun kami sa Zoo Market sa mga mahilig sa Korean food dyan. Sa mga naghahanap ng Korean grocery na pwede kayong maka-order. Ayan, try nyo sa Zoo Market. Located to sa Capitolio, Pasig. And sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ni Michelle and kay Mark Ann. Ayan, Mark Ann Ogalesco and Michelle Ko. Ayan, so check nyo na lang. So, there you go guys. Thanks guys again for watching. I'll see you guys again. Bye!